In this video, you're going to see how to disable the news and journal section in the apps tray on your Motorola mobile phone. When you open the apps tray, you can see this is how it looks with the news and journal tabs on the side of apps section. So to disable this, follow the steps that I'm going to show you step by step to avoid any confusion. After opening the apps tray, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then choose the settings option. Here at the bottom, you will see an option called Smart Tabs. Tap on it, and from here, you can enable or disable these sections either individually or both at the same time. After this, if you go back to the apps tray, you won't find these two options anymore. And that's it. This is how you can disable the news and journal section in the apps tray of your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks followed by different gadget and mobile reviews on this channel.